Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on the application of WhatsApp. You will click on settings. In this page here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will in this page here of apps, you will search about the application of WhatsApp and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget